from industry, captains, citizens and also school children. We spoke to Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on the exact menace. Here's what he told us. Listen into that exclusive conversation.
I'd like to tell this, all political potholes. All potholes have been created, news has been created. You please come. I'm in Delhi. I'll take to my house. I'll take to the streets. Within 100 meters, there are more than 100 potholes in Delhi itself. You let me go to Mumbai, I'll show you potholes. Let me go to any part of the state. There are potholes. This is a big conspiracy against the Karnataka Congress government. The system what we have created in Karnataka, nowhere in the country any state has done. I have given the responsibility of giving a letter, finding out a pothole to my police officers also. There will be traffic police. Wherever they see the potholes, they will have to identify and write a letter to the corporation. Number one, we have created an app for the public, like you. Wherever you see, you can write to the corporation. I have given responsibility to the common man. Apart from that, my engineers, more than 10,000 potholes we have identified, and all over 50% we have covered, and I have given a deadline to them. Yesterday my Chief Minister also held a meeting on this issue. Since media is covering up a lot, he has additionally given us about some 750 crores to see that 31st of July, October is the deadline. We will clear it. We know a lot of heavy rains have come and damages are going on. One rain, about more than thousands of potholes will be created in a single day. We know that it is our responsibility. But since Bangalore is making more noise, it is an important city, politics is going on.
Sir, you have allocated some specific budget also only for potholes. If you can please highlight about it, that what is the next roadmap so that this all confusion could be cleared, and what steps, as you have mentioned, along with the budget that are being taken.
See, we have sufficient budget. We don't have any problem, but my Chief Minister, we requested him, we wanted to clear this pothole. This 750 crores what has been there is not only for potholes. We will see that a motorable road is being done. We know the value of Bangalore. We know the value of a small customer who are the citizen. We are there to take care of the citizens.
With that, it's time for us to take a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates.